I'm sitting here with a patient who traveled halfway around the world to have surgery here at Deuk Spine Institute, and he comes from Kuwait. My patient came to me with back pain. He's had it for many years. Back pain was coming from 3 discs. Yesterday we went in with the laser, repaired those 3 discs. He also had pinched nerves going into the legs with weakness, and we were able to unpinch those nerves with the surgery. It had a microdiscectomy in the past, laminectomy, discectomy, but it didn't work. So he came here to the United States. He could have gone anywhere in the world for his back care, but he chose Deuk Spine Institute. I want to ask you, how was the Zoom call, the MRI review, how was that for you?
Well, it was easy, direct, and right after the Zoom call, I noted that, okay, this is the problem I have, and that's the answer. There is no other way but to come to Dr. Deuk and do it. And I'm here, and we did it yesterday. He did it yesterday for me.
How does your back feel today?
Today, I don't feel the pain which I used to have. Even my type of walking is better. That right now, my wife, and she said, yeah. When I entered here, I left everything out. She said, look, for the first time, I see you walking. So after years, after 6, 7, 8 years or more.
Yes, pain has dominated your life.
Of course. I mean, you wake up, you feel the pain from the start. The whole day until again, you want to sleep again. The cycle does not stop. And it forbids you from doing anything. And it is getting worse and worse if you leave it, and you have to come here.
Why did you choose Deuk Spine Institute?
Because I had different surgeries. I tried all the methods which is common everywhere, like massages, therapies, medication, needles. Nothing worked. There is no solution but here. I found it here with Dr. Deuk.
Thank you, my friend.
Thank you.
Now, you also had, besides pain in those discs, we had facet pain, which we treated with our rhizotomy.
Yes.
And you had the piriformis muscle pain.
Yes.
And it was the most damaged muscle I have ever treated on both sides.
You told me yesterday, yes.
And you have some pain on the hip area, which we know everybody has this after the procedure.
Yes.
But that will go away in a few days. I would love for you to share your experience with our Arab world out there. Share with them how you feel and about your experience here in Florida, because it's a long trip for someone to take to come here.
Yes.
And I would love for you to speak in Arabic and share your experience with them.
عانيت خلال تقريبا 7 8 و 9 سنوات الأخيرة من مشاكل الديسك والتعقيدات اللي تنشأ عن العمليات الديسك. سويت أكثر من عملية في أكثر من مكان. رحت لجميع الطرق، مساجات، أبر، ما سلكت إلى أن توصلت إلى أن الدكتور ديوك هني يسوي العملية بهذه الطريقة الخاصة. وكان وصلت صار لي 2 3 أمس كانت العملية. اليوم أنا أمشي أحسن، عوار ما عندي. كنت أعاني من العوار من صباح الله خير لما نحط راسي على المخدة، واليوم التالي نفس القصة والحمد لله بفضل الله وبفضل دكتور ديوك الحين أنا ما عندي أي مشكلة الحين. فأنا يعني أوصي أي واحد عنده مشكلة وعانى إنه لا يطول معاناته. الطريق واضح وسريع وبدون جراحة، بدون قص وعمليات ومشاكل بعد العمليات. لا في عملية، لا في قص، ولا من هالإشكالات هذه. وهذه تجربتي، وإن شاء الله تفيد أي واحد يحب يستفيد. وهذا الدكتور ديوك هنا موجود، والعملية سهلة جدا يعني. فالموضوع متروك لأي واحد يقرر، وهذا هو القرار السليم. فالسلام عليكم. Thank you, doctor. Thank you very much.
Thank you, my friend. God be with you.
The same to you, and bless you, and give you more, and expand more, and treat more. And God is there. He will give you the biggest reward.
Inshallah.
Inshallah.
All right.
Thank you.
Thank you, my friend.